Meaning of derisively.
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 Derisively. The term derisively refers to behavior or speech that expresses contemptuous ridicule or mocking. It involves making fun of someone or something in a scornful and belittling way, often with the intention of humiliating or embarrassing them. Such behavior or speech can be disrespectful and hurtful, and is not usually considered appropriate in polite society. Derisive actions or comments can cause significant damage to a person's self-esteem and may foster resentment or hostility towards the individual or group responsible.